Okay, it looks like real life. So welcome back. Today I'm going to be continuing to work on Kano. Okay, so let's see what we've got so far. So yeah, alright, I forgot about that. The last stream we implemented cursor, right? So now it will change. So it looks different when you're in insert mode and things like that. So that's pretty cool. And I've been meaning to implement that for some time, but I couldn't figure out how to get it to work, and then now I have. I don't think it'll work on other platforms. I think it's only on Linux because it uses like the escape sequences. So might not work there. But I only use it on Linux, so it doesn't matter to me. Yeah. But that's pretty cool now. So yeah, it's not really any other modes where the cursor would be different. Hey Pra, how you doing? What is up? But yeah, I think we're pretty good with that. We got the undo working better now, so that's great. All great. That's not work. Not delete the line. That's concerning. That one can't. Alright, that is a problem. So I might look into that, and then I'm gonna clean up some of the code, right? Like how I was doing before. So let me try to get that. So, cannot delete the line. That is a bit strange. So, right here, due to made this whole PR for PTEX to support Windows. Really? Windows 7? Or are you doing the, like, salute? PTEX. Did you merge it? Not like Windows. Okay. Could literally run the executable. Really? It works on Windows. Dang. And what do you let me look. I haven't looked at it for a while. The source. That's pretty cool though. Ta-da. Mm, I want to see the Windows thing. Windows. Or did you not merge it? Or was it a while ago? Mm, is this it? Disable it for now. Okay, okay. Okay, that's fair. Oh, that's right here. Okay, it's this. That deletes it. But if you go to the PR he sent. Oh, let me back out. Pull request. Part. Okay, okay. I want to, yeah. Visual Studio, okay. Uh, Addition of Windows equivalents, okay. VS Code, nice, nice. Love VS Code, best editor. C++ build. Alright, so that's like the build thing. I don't know what that is. Alright, that makes sense. That's pretty cool though, that's pretty cool. I mean, Windows isn't cool, but remove the VS stuff, yeah. Oops. I would try to get Kano working on Windows, but I do not care to do that, If I cared. What the heck? Okay, okay. Guy was a legend for real. Just one PR. How many lines is it? How many lines? Dang. That's actually not too bad, for pretty much, well, partial, but support of a whole nother platform. You know, pretty cool. So what is the issue here? Why does it not delete the line? 669 lines. Nice, nice. So we copy the line and then we get the row. do that, and we do that, and then we have to go to -1, right? Minus or +1, depending on where that's at, right? Delete selection, right? Oh, well this, okay. That does the -1, so why doesn't it work? Let me do -1 again. I'm a little confused. We push that, and we calculate the rows, and we subtract that. Try building Kano for Windows using MinGW. Yeah, I think most of the stuff would work, right? Because NCOS is on Windows, I believe. So the only thing is really, there's like calls to POSIX syscall things, right? So that wouldn't work. So you'd have to use an alternative for that, but otherwise it should work. If I'm not mistaken. That's the new position. Okay, so why is this? Why does it not work when there's that though? It does. Okay. Oh, it might just work then. I'm not super familiar with that, so. I mean, I could try that. I would have to set up a Windows machine to test it though. I hate using Windows, by the way. Type of thing running it? Alright. Well, I guess you could use Wine as well. I didn't consider that. Let me actually undo that. You will do the hard work. Alright, appreciate it. Right, that start. Okay, that end. Next one. I want to see right where the outputs. So they're the same, so that's why. What if I don't do -1, right? It does work. At least that one. Does it delete too much? Doesn't look like it does. Alright, so there's an A there. Let me actually write something that's comprehensible. Right? Let's see. 2, 3. Okay, delete that. Spider. Right, that worked. Right, it doesn't delete the first one, which I can fix that, I suppose, but the rest of it seems to work. So, yeah, what if I just, this, right? So we need to do n+1. Yeah, and then that works. Okay. I think that works. Let me write some code. Whoops, that does not work. Okay, that's not good. Concern. Right. I imagine it might be because of that. Right. Then it doesn't delete that. Right. So it doesn't seem to do that anymore. Because if that's all there is, it's not work. Well, yeah, I need to do that. Right, because then it's too much. Yeah. Okay, so that's what it is. So it deletes out of bounds. So that's not gonna work. What if we use like the size of the row though? You know, so we have the well, current end is the size of the row. So that won't work, will it? Right. I'll come back to that. I want to. So everything else seems to work, right? Delete that. So What is Saiji Don't actually know what that is. Let me see. Let me see. Kind of slow. My internet, kind of slow. Oh, Unix subsystem for Windows. Okay, very cool. That worked. What? What? Oh shoot! But then double free. Why does it do that now? Is it because of this again? Right? And -1. Do I have to do that? Well, okay. What's up? How you doing? I am doing pretty well. How are you? What's up again? Not much. Not much. I'm not sure what is the deal with that. So that doesn't work. Okay, yeah. So it was it just wasn't reloaded. Yeah. So that one is different. So we sort of need two. So if there is more lines, then yeah. Equals. What feature are you trying to develop? I'm trying to fix an issue that's been a bug for a while, where if you have some text here and you want to remove the first line using dd command, right, which I can show that here. So d plus d, it will delete basically just a whole row. If you do that, it doesn't actually delete it on the first one if it's empty, right? So that is, it's been an issue for some time, and I would like it to not be an issue anymore. So I'm trying to fix that now. So I basically need to check where's .data? .count. It's greater than 0. Or is greater than 1. Alright, so it's greater than 1. Get the order that you do this. Then, what? Want it to be current.end plus 1. Otherwise, current.end. Right, that might be the wrong order. Try that. Delete this. Okay. That seemed to work. I didn't get any issue with that. Delete. Okay. That. Okay. Yeah. So it looks like that works. Good luck. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else that needs to be changed here necessarily. Might have to change the undo though. So that might is that not working? That seems to work fine. That as well. Yeah, so I guess it does work. Okay. I'm gonna say that's all right. So now I'm gonna make a function for this, right? And it'll just be delete row basically can be the function. Should be able to. So I will try that. Let me commit this first. Do I have an issue for that? Because it's been around for a while, but I don't remember if I made an issue. Okay. No. Okay. Fix issue where first row be deleted. Okay. Yeah, it wasn't a very big change, I suppose. This will be delete row, right? Buffer delete row. Statement should be correct. And yeah, we can basically just call that, and then I'll move all of this into that function. And we should be okay. So I'll delete that. Let's go. I didn't actually delete when I did that, so that's not good. Delete character, and we'll have delete row. What about making Kano outside of the console, like a desktop application built in C? Yeah, so I've been I mean, I don't know that I'm going to implement that because I like terminal editors better, but I have made it possible to do that. Well, at least close to it, right? There's a few more things I need to work out. But I've sort of been, for the front end that I use for the terminal, I've been moving that away from the actual logic of the code. So that way you'll be able to replace it with a different front end. You just have to create some functions for it, stuff like that. Right. So I don't know if I'll implement that necessarily, but it would be possible to do that. Hey, Stam, how you doing? Jacob, all right, all right. So this is buffer, oops, buffer delete row. Other way. So yeah, let me actually go back to here because I messed it up. I'll get rid of this. Okay. Delete row. Oh yeah, I need to make the function thing for it. Other way. Other way. Mm, bam. Grab this. Go here. Whoops. Undo the undo. Alright, there we go. There we go. Works. First try. First try. Yes, sir. Alright. Perfect. Perfect. So let's go back to the keys. And I want to go back to this. Delete row. Something I need to do is make the clipboard. Use the actual system clipboard. Well, at least if you want to do that. There's a way Vim does that. I don't remember. I think it's like Y plus or whatever to yank. Something like that. Where you yank it to the clipboard, the actual system clipboard. Then you can, do it between instances and stuff. That would be cool to do. Right, this is redo. Is that what it is? Wait, what is it? Oh no, this is. Wait, I don't know what that is. What? Oh, this is replace. Okay, I'm stupid. I was going into Kano Fatal Protocol. What the heck? And I want to try this. That's a little bit sus. I wonder if it does that for me. I'm not gonna do that. Enter test Kano. Already have that? Okay. Thanks. What the heck do I have it? Okay. Test. Git clone. Use Kanu. No, but he's trying to work on it, so. Yeah, it works for me. Your Git must be tripping. Using Windows? For real, for real. Imagine. This is buffer replace character. Replace ch. Maybe replace ch. So. State. Same thing, right? Grab that. Save it. Go to here. Buffer replace ch. Don't want. I was made to be influenced by Windows. Real, real. Do this. Nope, okay, there we go. Right, so replace with L. Okay. Yeah, so that seems to work now, so that's cool, cool. Links boat, free BSD real shoot. For real, for real. Can't argue with that. And yeah, this will be delete character. This is just, alright, we already have delete character. So that's not great. Right, but we have the yank stuff. We should really yank in the delete character though. Do we not do that? But I don't want to create it. Yeah, that's a bit difficult. The rock Ayo. Why do I have it like this? You know, I don't need the default there. I could just do that, right? And then just follow through. Is that required? I think so. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that anyway. Right, but I can do that. Okay, so that's good. Good enough. Alright, I still call it that for now, but That doesn't, it doesn't work very well because I have delete character already. So I'll need to think of a better name for that. Linux was a proper operating system until some idiotic, I suppose you're saying, influencers like Pra and Com changed the way people think about Linux. For real, for real. Absolute facts. Right, so yeah, obviously this is not great, but it's fine. It's fine for now. Grab that. Alright, that was fine. Perfect. Keku, for real. Kek, W. There's some actions with functions. Alright, a lot of insertions and stuff because move things around, so copy pasta. Buffer H. Right, let's go buffer replace. Let's see, so let me go up here. Yeah, so now all the way from here to there is cleaned up a little bit. Read your message. Oh, shoot. I didn't see all that. Alright, imagine using JS on Windows in VS Code with AI plugins. That's the worst I can imagine. I'm going to do that now. Using Copilot. Let's just ban everybody. Right. So these ones are fairly simple. It's a lot of repetition as well, but I'll worry about that later. Ban stamina. Real. Insert. Right, so we get front end getch. So this is what is that? Right, I'm trying to think. It's hard to come up with good names for the functions. Wait, these are very similar. It's just sort of reversed. Right. It's really the opposite there. So what if we, I don't know. That one's not too bad already, so I might leave it like that. Really, I want the bigger ones to be changed. And this feels like a lot of stuff that doesn't need to be there, but that's fine. This one as well. Okay, this is a pretty big one. Undo. Right, so that should be sort of, well, you know what? This, they're pretty much the same, right? It's just sort of flipped. Redo.start, right? And then this one is, yeah, so this could be where the undo and redo are just swapped. I think we can do that. If we pass it, as parameters. Getch goat for real. Right, because otherwise they're the same. It's just we switch these, because this one's creating the undo and this one's creating the redo. Because this is the undo to redo the undo, and this is the redo to redo the undo. Yes, I think I said that right. Well, you know what? Where do we set it? So current undo, but this one sets current undo as well. So where is it set differently? Right, so it's just set there. So if we pass it, get bloat for real, or boat, I see. Voting was best of all time. I think he said bloat. Best of all time, real, facts. Yeah, so, well, that is changed. Redo.start. Doesn't have to be that, though. It could be current undo. Right, it could be, right? I think so. Well, no, because it's not set to that. Okay. Trying to think, right? What's the best way to handle that? Because then the difference is here. Well, let's grab all this stuff, and I can think about it. Grab that, and then put all that in there, because this will free up some lines. Pra equals block real. Alright, so let's say, do you want to pass those? Right, yeah, those should probably be passed as parameters because we could use the undo stack or the redo stack, right? Right, undo stack and redo stack. Yeah, so we want to pass that. So that'll be passed. It doesn't even pass by pointer, right? Because we push it. So, we do have to free the undo. Wait, what? How do we free that? Does this allocate? Wait, what? Okay, well, I guess that works, so. But it can just be passed the same way, so, well, we could pass by reference. Doesn't matter. No. Alright, so it's gonna have to be like that then. Must we get rid of this? You know, because this has to be different anyway. So we'll get rid of those two. And that'll be handled in the return. So, yeah, then we'll do that. Right, we can get rid of these. We also need the, well, we can just have it state. Okay, so then redo dot start equals that. Right, so this will just be swapped depending on which one we're on. Then we switch over this, and everything else is fine. Right, so that should pretty much be the same. So then if I grab this, pointers everywhere, for real. It's gotta just use pointers. Long as spacing. I need to fix that. Okay, so the state that is, you might not actually use that, I'm not sure. Rust teaches not to use pointers everywhere. Really? So that one's like that. And then reset this. Yeah, I think we do up here, right? Yeah, but then we need to return these. Cap. Yeah, so should we return it, or should it just be a reference? Which one do we need? We need an undo. Wait, so that's being set. So we just need we need the redo. So let's just return it. Okay, get rid of this. Right, so that gets all set. I guess we don't use the redo, do we? So maybe that's not necessary. I suppose not. Because it's set. Okay. We set it there. Okay, so I guess that's fine. But we need to undo that. I'm confused. Set that one. Yeah. Okay. Got a little backwards, but I see now. I understand. So still a little bit in here. It's not just one French but that's fine. This one should just be... Well, we need to get rid of this. Okay. This one, get rid of this, and switch these around. Redo. It might break everything, but, you know, worth a try. Get rid of that, and push that there. That should be all good. So then we actually need to set it here. So it'll be undo, or this will be redo. This one will be undo. Buffer. Oh yeah, so it's gonna be state buffer. I'll just pass that because I don't want to. Well, I could set state buffer. Whoops, buffer. Void value. Why is it void? Oh, undo push. Yeah, I set that too long. Okay, let me try. It does not work. Okay, it does not work at all. That worked though. Alright, so because of some issues. Maybe I will just, I think because of this. Just pass it by reference like that. I'm gonna have to change some things, but that's fine. I guess we don't really need to do this, do we? To return it. Try. Redo, okay. Let's reboard again. I could use query replace, but that would require opening bin. I don't want to do that right now. Heart. So we're just gonna take a second. You're behind me? Are you sure about that? Okay. Uh, Hopefully I did not miss any. Let's try that. Whoops. Like that. Okay, that doesn't work. That's interesting. My Twitch is like dead, and I can't see. I heard a notification. Uh, NA, a bunch of numbers just followed. Thank you. I appreciate that. I really don't see you there. Stam. Yeah, sorry, I don't know. I'm not gonna say all the numbers, but yeah. Thank you. Appreciate it. Why doesn't that work though? Did I break something bad? Redo start equals undo start. Nathan. How you doing? How you doing? Hello, Scythe. Random and funny question. Okay. Okay. Silly, but might find it entertaining. Alright, alright. Random and funny answer. Yes, Sam has a good answer. Let me open this again. Could choose anyone to see get tickled as a prank. Who would it be? It's a interesting question. Probably Stan for sure. And equals Noah big if true. Undo. It's a trap. Rip. Nathan not Noah. Yeah, it's just a little joke. Why does this not work? Push it onto the stack. Noah's busy playing Roblox? Sure. Something like that. Right, redo. Past that, and then all this gets handled. So everything's the same otherwise. Oh, shoot, it's not the same. Frick. Too busy. What else is different? I think that's it. That's weird that would be different though. So that might be planning to do some content in Go. Check your YouTube, and it's mostly C. Yeah, I mostly do C. I have done some Go in the past, and I might use it some more. Go and things like that. I have been looking into Odin, which is fairly similar to Go in terms of syntax and stuff, but it's lower level, right? It doesn't have a garbage collector. But yeah, I'm mostly a C man. JS content is planned. Can confirm. Can confirm. Alright, so why doesn't that work? Right, so other than that difference, everything else is the same. Mostly a JS, man. For real, for real. Yeah, mostly JS. Can confirm. Wait, so since those are swapped around, undo. We love JS here. It's actually our favorite language. So we set the current undo to that one. Can't confirm. Cannot. Absolutely cannot. Why doesn't it work? I'm a little confused. So we handle all that. Does it not work? JS equals... Yes, definitely does. Okay. Getting a little distracted. Okay, right. And everything's here is the same. Nice. For real. WBot. I forgot about that. There we go. Yes. Yes, you. Not Rickroll. Definitely not. Can confirm. Can confirm. It's definitely not. Definitely click the link. No, it is not. Lies. Lies. No, that's actually on purpose. I actually don't make typos. Everything I do is on purpose. I don't know why it doesn't work, to be honest. Undo pop. Create that one. Reuse it. We don't really use it because we set it there, so we don't need to do this. Alright, so we can, we need that because we don't use those. So we can get rid of those. We can create it here. Do equals 0. Set it like that. Okay. Rate of bits. It's not used. It is just what's set to that one. So, well, yes, that'll work because it's a copy of it. And that doesn't work. I highly recommend you the C channel I found, especially this video. Yes, I can recognize what that is. I know what that is. Can't fool me. 292. Oh, shit. Okay. Nope. Actually, nope. That is still that. Okay. That works, but then that does not work. That, a different sheet. Well, see, that's not right. It's inserting some extra stuff there. A little confused. A C video, I know, right? For real. For real. Can confirm. I want to, perhaps copy this back. Actually, it's probably, it might be because of that it's off by one. Is that what messes everything up? Could it be? Free only content. Link in bio. Memory safe C code, for real. You know, I'm gonna do this. Well, no. First, I'm gonna copy this all and put it back. Just want to try it again, but with that, how it was before. Get rid of this. I won't worry about that indentation though. So undo 0. And now, yeah, there's gonna be problems because of the pointer. Custom data structures, click for more. Yeah, just keep sending the same link over and over. Undo. Do. Undo. Few more. 392. Okay, alright, let me try it. No, so it still doesn't work. So that is a problem. Jokes aside, this is actually the video. Alright, I'm concerned. I feel like that's another Rickroll. It's loading. My internet is slow. Is this stream dead? Because my bitrate just went to 0. No, I already did. Yeah, it doesn't load at all. Rickroll different link. Alright, let's go. W. It didn't actually start, so it doesn't count. Doesn't count. No, definitely not. I want to try this. Try this. Let's go. You click the link. But it didn't start. We will all get Rickroll. Genius. What have you considered? No. Okay, why is that happening? Okay. So. No, so it doesn't work. Okay, so it just doesn't work. And now that broke. Alright, so there's some issues. So it broke somewhere. From the delete character. Ooh. Shoot. Alright, so it's not an issue with undo. So that was working. That was working fine. So I can go back to that. And go back. Wait, go back. That's too far. Grab this one again and put the undo. Okay, so let's go back to the let's go here. Alright, so here it seems to not work. Create the undo. Gotta remember all the links. I'm not sure I'm gonna do that. Rickroll master world. Shh. No, I'm not gonna do that. Can't do that. We have the character. Delete it. I mean, create the undo, but then it doesn't work. So I break something else. Where else did I change the undo? Change anything else? Gotta remember all the links. I want to go back in here, and I want to go to here. So I think it was from this, right? Because we replaced these. It might have been from this one even. It's from one of those. This one was small actually, so I don't think it's this. Don't think it was this one. Free Kano download. For real. Yeah, it's not gonna be there. Because that's in the other one. In the delete one. So it's gonna be this one. I see the whole file. How do you do that? Browse files. Well, I actually don't want to do that. Maybe not. Yeah, let me go back. Let me go back. Let's see. So we create it here. Does this do something different? I load that. Span down. Right, so I think it's there. We will return one. We break there. Break there still, so that's all fine. So it's the delete character. It still breaks out of that. Returns one. So we want to return one. Cool, it's kind of a boomer meme, but it's so funny. Yes, it is funny. It's not a boomer meme. It will always be funny. Delete character. Create undo. Reset the command. We delete the character and then we push the undo. Do we need to set the undo in? No, but it worked before, right? The one that I have. I can do that and it works. It's so weird. What the heck? Well, the delete character, if I look at that, it will, what doesn't set the end? Let me just try to set it then. Can I do that? Can I do that? This variable redo. Oh shoot, I need to get rid of that. Do not need that anymore. It just doesn't work. And also, it dies. Ah, freak. Everything's broken. Football sucks. What football? American football or soccer football? This is not good. Not a happy thing. So double free. What's that at? I should run it with Valgrind. It's only reset so that no, that doesn't even work. Soccer sucks. Can confirm. Can confirm. Make debug. If I do that, Valgrind log goes out. Debug. Debug. Do some of that. Undo. Undo, and then segfault. Okay, that's interesting that it's segfault. Okay, like that. Kinda sus. Can't confirm. Pa is a soccer fan? What is all this? The delete selection has some issues, it would seem. Small leak, but that's fine. I know where it's from, and I don't care to fix it, so that's why. Terminating, dumping core, right? So it's something with this. Right. Delete selection, 170. 70. Oh, frick. Oh, frick. Can't confirm, stand banned. For real. Imagine having segfaults for real. Can't imagine. Can't imagine. So this, it doesn't like this. So what did I do? Did I do an oopsie whoopsie here? And there's no plus one, so that isn't even in my start. Right, so I want to know buffer deletes. Right, so that's where the issue comes from, right? 170. I don't know how I didn't come across this before in the testing. Data count minus n, is that wrong? Right, that's the side menu. Still does that. Remember in 3rd grade, you watch others play soccer, and the losing team went to the goalpost, bent it over, and got a ball shot. What the heck? What the heck? What? I hate Windows. Real. Can confirm. Windows sucks. Windows worse than soccer. Assertion failed. What the heck? You what? We should set the cursor though. Is that what is that an issue, right? That could underflow, so I need to be careful with that. Okay. Yeah, so that doesn't work. A lot of problems. Association you have with soccer. Those punishments for losing are cringe as JS for real. That's actually really weird. It's a very weird thing. I'm trying to think here. So we move. Right, so we have the selections. We have the cursor and the size of the selection. Cursor plus size. We're living at 2000 BC. Real. This name is actually ancient. This name is Boomer. Confirmed. Mm-hmm. Trying to think that the cursor would be off. It wasn't even that before, but now it is. It's the cursor move each time, so when you move that way, it doesn't work. Yeah, that's why. One like that would work fine. Hmm. And then, yeah, that double freeze. So, there's so many problems. Feels like it's working, and then it just automake works on Windows. Could not find end curses. What the? Oh, you have to install end curses, right? So they went there, bent over the ground. What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? Medieval type punishment. Thankful. 169. Yeah, so it doesn't like this. Valid read of size 2. Yeah, the size not right. To do and play soccer with those idiots. From a good family. From the goodest family. Still that. Okay, so that doesn't quite work. Anything, right? So that'd be smaller. So the issue is likely that it's too big, right? You should probably make sure. Right, so if the count plus the size is too much. No, wait, because we're deleting that. And we move to that point. Go to cursor plus. Yes, we need to check that the cursor plus size. Mostly future skinheads. Interesting. So what I'm gonna do is just if sorry, greater upward data count, then return for now. Right, I feel like that is the cause of some issues. Size doesn't exist. Okay, yeah. Still doesn't. But we do need to check that. So, you guys were living in Greece 2000 BC as a Persian. Paul wasn't even born. Dang. Leave this up here, actually. Cursor. Plus size. Unknown command band. Wrestling buffer data. Yeah. Okay. And we need to actually add a message here, so oops. I actually need to set the cursor as well. We set the cursor here, so let's move that up here as well. Well, we need to yank first. Let's do that. Okay, I think we got it. We got it. want to set it there, and then we want to do that. Yeah, and it's a different assertion, but it's from the yang, right? I get rid of the yang. Yes, it is. Okay, so nothing is different. Mm. Do ziz followed. Thank you. Ziz, right? That's what the fitness guy was, right? Is that how you pronounce it? But thank you, I appreciate that. For real, for real. Buffer cursor, yes, we set it there, so that should be fine. But then this is not right. Buffer cursor plus size. And then the count, running water. Okay. And we do that. Reduce the count by that amount. Buffer cursor to there. When did he even run it? Oh shoot, if he doesn't run until there. Size is too great. Ooh. Get rid of that, then it just cycles away. See, side Gwyn installed Automake, but it didn't install GNUMake. Bruh. Big shout out to Brandon. Yes. Let's go, Brandon. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. Okay. Right. What happens now? Double back. And then there's the double free, but that's from. That's because we read it out of bounds. Size too big. N minus star. But I don't think so. Brandon goes real. Definitely know who this Brandon is. Yeah, that is quite concerning. Right, it's like an off by one here. Do Z's. But however is fine. Just random using. Okay. I don't know what that is. But yes, let's go, Brandon. Fatal error and curses. No such file or directory. Ooh, do you have to do it a different way on Windows? Like the include? That might be a thing. Oh, okay, I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. I know what that is. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I get it now. I get it now. Did not think of the correlation. Uh, that's what the Brandon thing is. Okay. Not funny. Just okay. There's a lot of problems here. A lot of problems. Using Windows be like real. Size there. The buffer cursor plus size cannot be greater. Can't be equal to the other. Not really. The count is the total amount, so we can't index by that amount, so it has to be less. You can express your political beliefs. Okay, well, I mean, everyone doesn't really like Biden at the moment, right? I don't like to say that kind of language, though, regardless. Size. Wait, is this an issue? What if I, move this up as well? Yes, it does that. Okay. So why would it get to that point where the size is greater than the account? Oh, it's because it doesn't undo correctly. Yeah, because it doesn't undo the character. So I think that has the whole issue with the whole thing. So why does that happen though? Push-up time. Let's see another. I will do the push-ups in a second. One who commented on one of your videos about your. Oh yeah. I do recall that. I do recall that. Sorry, I will do the push-ups. Yes. WC. Do you have a GitHub link to the Lua transpilot? Because I would like to see that. I will do 10 push-ups now. Also, the bitrate is dying. Stream's gonna die. It's over. Hold on, hold on. Did the stream actually die? Might have. It's not looking good. Bitrate is dead completely. I think my internet's going through a thing. I don't know how it's going. Real. Is stream dead? My going through. Yeah, it keeps going in and out. Let's see. I will look at it. Rip. What? Oh, that's not worth apparently anymore. Cannot do that. What the frick? Right. Can see and hear perfect. Try part 69. Will it compile? Alright, let us stop. And I think the stream is not going. It's not loading for me. Is it working? Is it working? Line 69. I don't know if you can actually see it though. Right, I want to look at this, but it looks like it's dying. It might not come back. Bro. Yes, it is working. It's way behind now. A lot of lag. Yeah. Can see it. Yeah, set locale. Nor about that project. completely unrelated to video editor stuff. Hmm. Rip. It keeps going to 0 and then back up, like the bit rate. Like it does that when it disconnects. But it doesn't go for long enough to actually disconnect. So it's still going. But I might have to end it. Might have to end it. I wanted to look at this though. Yeah, I can see that the video is like. Can hear perfectly and see. It's still dipping out for me though. It's fine. I don't know what happened. It just decided to die. Mm. The Lexer. I don't think anyone can really see it because it is like yes. I can't do anything about that. It's just decided to die. And I don't have anything open that I can really close to make it faster. Lexer needs a rework. By the way, currently lexing wall parsing. Okay. Wanted to get POC up. The recursive descent parser before you optimize. All right. Close webcam. I don't think that would do anything because the webcam that's like hardware, not doesn't do anything to the software. I can close it, but yeah, I don't think it would do anything. Rip. Okay, it might be back a little bit. Might be. It's not going to 0 again. It's still not good, but it's getting better. Lowering your bit rate. I can't do that without restarting it, and I don't want to restart it. Mm. But that wouldn't really fix the issue anyway. It's not because it's slow. It's because it dips out and then comes back, right? Just for a moment, and that's why it continuously lags because then it has to reconnect for a second. But it's not for long enough to actually fully disconnect. Mm. Hmm. Yeah. I might have to end the stream. Might have to end it. Because I cannot do that, and it doesn't seem like it's getting better. You know? I would like to look at this though. I might do it next stream. I think I need to stream earlier because I've been streaming earlier the last couple streams, and it's been a lot better. You know, hasn't been going out. It might be back now. Hang on, hang on. It is looking better. It's not going to zero again. And there we go. There it went. Okay. Yeah, maybe it's not going to work. It seems to work better earlier in the day. Mm, it's good now. Okay. It does look better. I'm gonna wait a second to make sure it doesn't dip again. But right, I can see the bitrate and connection over here, and it's fine. Is it your network? Yeah, it has issues sometimes. Good. It does seem to be better. Doesn't seem to be dipping. Yeah, so all good. All good. It looks good to me. I'm gonna have to go soon anyway, but I wanted to look at this and then I can. But yeah, it looks better. Looks better. Okay, I'm gonna say that's good. Goes that again, let me know. But yeah, I wanted to look at this. So the Lexer. Alright, Lua keywords. Right, so his keyword. Yeah, just loops over the keywords. Fair enough. Make token. Okay, yes, that creates a token. Nice, nice. Null token. Okay. Is null token. Advance. Okay, peak next. Right. Match. Match the next character if it is the expected one. Okay. Nice. Skip white space. Okay. Fair enough. Comment. Double comments. Very nice. Okay. Advance. Okay, so what is that how comments are? Okay, identifier. Right, side. Okay, yeah. Lexer, it's pretty straightforward, right? String, okay. Yeah, let's go to let's take a look at the parser, see how that works. Uh Parser, still like arena. Okay. Comment. Advance. And peak as well. Akinator scan. I can do Akinator. Oh shoot, is it dying again? It looks like it's dying. I can do an Akinator. Thank you for reminding me. If the internet does not die, I will do that. Okay. Error, right. Shoot, this is a lot of stuff. Alright, since that. He sucks. Cap. Big cap. Parts block, okay. Expressions, okay. I'm just, skimming through it. I'm not doing full understanding, just an idea. Looks good though, well commented and stuff, but not over commented like that. Okay. Dot. Uh, Change mine in 2 seconds for real. Yeah, I can do an Akinator. Actually, quickly, I'm just gonna exit out here and continue. In progress, some issues. You know, pushing it to main is one. Okay. I know what the issues are, so I'll fix that next turn. Yeah, it seems to be working now, at least on my end, so that's good, that's good. Parse literal, okay. Simple expression, create literal node, parse primary expression. Alright, yeah, so all parts and stuff, right? Very nice. Let's look at the actual transpiler part. Right, so it might not actually be done at all, because he said he was working on the sim. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so that's all there. So this is what he's working on now. Yes. Yes, yes. Okay. Symbol lookup, alright. So, yeah, so all like the symbol table stuff. Tests have some more info, alright. We'll take a look. Test. Test arena. Oh yeah, okay, that'll be cool, that'd be cool. So not null, arena, right, so arena stuff. Alright, this is actually pretty self-explanatory. So let's go to let's look at the parser. That'll be more interesting. Oh, it's actually commented out, so not down here though. Test case. Alright. Should look at it's fine. Alright, I think I can get an idea of how it works, right? Test case, test that. Path, pen to it. Right. Okay, print the result. Okay, let's look at the symbols, perhaps. And test system in general created is great. Yes, I will look at this, some of the macros in there. Texas. Yes, Texas. Big if true. Context, right. Yeah, I'm gonna actually look at this. So is that in Lux test? Alright, core Lux test. I can look at that. Because I want to see some of the stuff in here. Is there the... What was it? So not the actual... Using the parser test as a way of dumping right now. Okay, the symbols test is what you're working on. Also, lexdump.c has some great visualization on how the structure of the AST works. Alright, let's see what was it. Lex dump. Okay, is that in here? Yeah, okay. Kind of jumping around a bit, but that's fine. Fine, okay. Show the AST. Okay, I see. About to fall asleep, so don't ask what you're saying. Bro. I will do an action before you fall asleep. I'll do JavaScript. Right, so yeah, dumping stuff, alright. Hypnotizing JS, real. Okay. Yeah. I want to look at these out. So is that in... I miss it. Is it in the Lex test? I wanted to see that. Lex test was in core. Go over here. The, right, test assert. Is that, is the macro in here? Or is it defined in, could be in the include, right? Is that, the lux.h? Right here. Yeah. Flex test on each. Yes. All right. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. There we go. Right. In this case, add. I just wanted to see what they expanded into because uh quick name. Right. Okay. I see. Okay. And then let me look at this. So register assertion. Alright, and that is just this. Alright, makes sense. Alright, very cool. I did start it, indeed. Uh Very cool. I will definitely be following the development of that to see how it progresses. Do you want to try Akinator though? Because I do have to go in a minute. So let me open it up. Just one round, and then I have to go. Akinator. Rip. Akinator dead? What the heck? I just have stupid. Yes. Objects. JavaScript object. Right. Objects. 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 I think Akinator is broken. Objects. There we go. There we go. No content filter, I guess. Can we switch it off? JavaScript? Yes. The test has individual shared libraries. Then you load them at runtime. Okay, cool. Into the test runner executable. All right. Download things with it. Yes. Made by Apple. No. From Back to the Future. No. Dematerialized. Does that mean it's not like not a material thing? But yes, but I don't know. Does it leave marks? No. Have a touchscreen. Not itself. Is it white? No. It's like yellow. Yellowy. Cod back in here. Yes, can confirm. Let's see. R22, K20. Alright. Very cool. I think that's the 400 followers, is that right? Perhaps not. Thank you, I appreciate that. Acting in your best, for real. Yeah, 400 followers. Wow, let's go. W? W? Racist, for real. We really appreciate you taking time to look at it. Well, that's great. I'm glad you shared it. I'm a big fan of, C code in particular, and I like to look at, read through people's stuff. Need a remote control to use it? No. Mazda? No. What are we doing here? Akinator. Also flashbang. Have a keyboard? No. What the heck is that? We're trying to guess JavaScript. We use it to play video games? No. Hold it with a single hand? Yes. That's not kind of misleading. Does it really exist? Yes. But it's not material though, right? It's a digital thing. Does it use sound? Sometimes, right? How do you put sometimes, right? Like it has sound. I don't know. Actually, no, I should put no on that. That would make more sense. No. Relation with computers. Yes. All right. We're getting some progress. Connected to a wire. It can be, but generally. Is the stream dead again? Rip stream. Power button. No. Made of metal. No. Is it free? Yes. Is it an app? No. Well, can it be touched? No. Nope, it was not dead? I don't know. It dies sometimes. But then it said 0. I don't know. Is it only for adults? No, that's creepy. Is it a website? To make websites. Is it a game? No. Is it a waste? Yes. Can we cook with it? To let him cook? No. Yes, we do want to get rid of it, definitely. Is it a kick? No. Used to sell apps. I mean, kind of. I don't think you're supposed to do this stuff. Relation with the internet, very much. Fortunately, it's free for real. Do people like it? Unfortunately. More than 50 hearts? What the heck does that mean? No? Computer programming? Alright, we're getting somewhere. You don't cook with JS. Relation with school? I mean, you know, it can. I'll put probably, because you could do it in school. Router reboot would fix your network? Not really sure. Yeah, I mean, sometimes that works. I'm definitely gonna do that after the stream. But yeah, I think I just need to get into the habit of streaming earlier, you know? Like at around 3 or so. It usually works perfectly fine. I can go through, you know, about 2 hour stream and it works fine. Coding language, yes. Animal represented on it. No, it doesn't have animal, right? Create websites, yes. Musical instrument, what the heck? Can be related to words. Yeah, that's why I said probably. Break easily. I mean, you know, yes. Contain phone numbers? No. Statistic ones may teach JS to build websites. Yeah. Use it in a browser. Yes. It knows. It knows. Does it come from India? Nope. Don't think it's from India. After the year 2000, it was not. It was 95, 96, something like that. From Russia. It's not, right? It was the, what was his name? The guy who made, or maybe not made, but he worked at Mozilla and stuff. Children under 10 know it? Sometimes, yes. Did it go into space? Yes. I believe they used it for rocket stuff. It's not blue. A handle. Unhandle. Is that how you say that? Software source code. Yes, we've been through this already. Articulated. I don't know how that would relate to something, but what the heck? How did it even? Okay. Have you ever thought how Echinida works? Kind of. Kind of. It did get it though. W. I should try to make an Echinida sometime. Echinida clone. Shade is blue. TypeScript. Nope. That is not related. Yeah. I gotta go now though. Alas, it is time to go. So, there's the programming language. Yes. W Echinida. Got it from the website stuff, I'm pretty sure. Okay. Yeah. So I will